Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone is having a fabulous Tuesday morning. I did want to do a quick portfolio update. I have now hit the 27,000 mark, 27,700 and change to be exact. It's been a really great morning for me. As you can see right here, up 4.64%, over $1,200 in just the past one day. I think if you hit the live button in the last hour itself, it's gone up, as you can see here, $561, 2% in just the last hour. And so what is stirring this movement in my portfolio, which is at an all-time high? The previous high was early. I had around 27, but definitely tanked when I didn't know what I was doing. And now I'm back up these last few months. But what is spurring this movement are my cannabis stocks. So you can see down here, MJ 220 shares up 8.36%, which is $671.90 for today, which is 8.32%. So I have 220 shares. My average cost is $32.16, and it's right now hitting $40.27. So this is definitely half of my gains. The other I have some more minor shares in Kronos Group. Again, just up a little bit, only 25 shares here, and 10 shares for Canopy Growth, and then have 9 shares for Aurora's Cannabis. Another reason why I'm up a lot has to do with my options contracts. So let me just show you here. These are all the option contracts I have. I sold off a lot of these, a few days ago, last week actually, when there was a big sell-off and a lot of the cannabis stocks tanked a lot in double-digit percentages. I told my strategy was to sell off a lot of my actual stocks and use those monies to buy options contracts. As you can see, we're hitting 100% returns in just one day. So let me show you some of my sells. So right here, this is a $14 call. Average cost is 43. Right now it's at 73. I sold off two, I believe. Two earlier this morning for $16.65, so it's gone up since this morning. So those made around 50% profit there, but now it's already up 108%. Here's a $15 call. Average cost is $33, and I sold off 3 contracts here, 45, 45, and 50, and now it's at 55. So I'm gonna hold off on selling this last one. Probably sell it off closer to the expiration date, which is October 19th. Here's a let me go down to the marijuana MJ ETF, and I sold off another contract right here for $110. The price I bought in for this contract was at, if you can go down to the more, this is $42 per call. This right here I bought it at $35, so I made, what is that, $75 in profit there. So that's 75, over 200% there profit. But anyways, that's what my strategy is now, and so I believe we're hitting highs in the cannabis stocks. So I'm definitely selling off the contracts more and more. This $16 call is up 138% today, total 56%. So I might sell this off, one of the contracts, to get lock some profits, or I might just hold off. I haven't decided. And this $19 call, this is more of a very long shot. 19 is very high for Kronos Group. It's only at $18. My average cost is $13. If I were to sell this off, it will go down to $15, only $2 gain. So I'm definitely not going to do that. This is a long shot, and I have 5 of these contracts. But what I was trying to say earlier, what is spurring this movement in this, cannabis stock flurry here has to do with recent news around, here we go, Tilray has gained approval to import medical marijuana into the U.S. This is just, right here, 9:46 Eastern Standard Time. So what is it right now? It's around 11, something about 2 hours ago. This news broke, and it's spurring the movement for all these stocks to increase. Again, MJ ETF, Tilray is in that ETF. So Tilray is a part of this ETF. I think it's one of the 35 holdings, and about 7% of the ETF holding is Tilray. So it's definitely the main contributor, pushing this now to 9% returns for the day. So yeah, so just wanted to share that. Well, another new all-time high, 27,840. So it's just keep going, and really keeping a close eye on these options, and we'll probably sell out a lot of these, and we'll rebuy when the sell-off happens again, because I believe it's going to be a roller coaster from now all the way until October 17th, which is when in Canada legalization of marijuana actually becomes official. So this one, again, I bought for $35. Right now it's listed at $98. Total return is 180% profit. So very consider selling this one out, or I might just hold it and ride the wave. I don't know, I'm going back and forth. So, but for the other ones, the Cronus Group ones, I'm definitely going to sell off and should lock in the profits. All right, I think that's it for me this morning. Hope everyone has a fabulous day of trading. I think this is by far the best trading morning I've ever had. Hopefully it continues throughout the day and it doesn't dip too far down by the end of the closing day. All right, have a great morning.